Okay, so I'm just kind of documenting here as well as informing. I find it so very interesting that I had that dream about anchoring down and to tie down. The wind is coming on the 12th of October 2025. And that night there was huge typhoon in Alaska and huge windstorm in Arizona. So now this makes me want to look at the astrology of those places because I'm really fascinated with like cities, the astrology of the cities, towns, places. Like, oh my goodness, it's so much and it's so fascinating. But maybe we can tie some of these. Maybe we can warn people before it happens if we know based upon their cities that they could be getting hit directly. Just a fact that we could, yeah, definitely bring to light the power of astrology. And I'm really sorry for everybody who got hit with all of that. That, just from the videos that I've seen, it looks pretty devastating, the least to say. Well, until next time, try to make the rest of your day good, and I hope that these places are able to rebuild quickly. Also, was there other windstorms? I'll have to be research. I've been working a lot or doing stuff around my farmhouse. So curious where else there was big windstorms, and pretty sure there's going to be more on different places of the planet. So yeah, curious to see what the next few weeks unfolds because this trine goes for a little while. Venus is going to be in Libra for a little while. Pluto's definitely going to be in Aquarius for a while. And Uranus at 0 degrees Gemini. I got to find out when he moves back. If he's moving back into Taurus or is he officially in Gemini? Oh my goodness. But okay. Until next time. Aloha.